Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, where power meets performance and luxury meets innovation. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest cars hitting the road. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Lincoln Navigator, a luxury full-size SUV that continues to redefine elegance, performance, and technology in a bold and commanding way. For years, the Navigator has stood as a symbol of American luxury, and in 2026, Lincoln has elevated it to new heights. The first thing that grabs your attention is its refreshed exterior. Lincoln has given the 2026 Navigator a more modern and streamlined look. The front grille is bolder, with a signature illuminated Lincoln emblem that shines proudly. Sleek new LED headlights and a sculpted front bumper give it a futuristic and refined presence. Around back, the taillight design stretches across the rear, offering a unified and elegant finish. Whether you're arriving at a black tie event or pulling up to the school gate, the Navigator demands attention. Under the hood, the 2026 Navigator continues with the proven 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing around 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, this beast delivers confident acceleration and towing power without sacrificing refinement. Despite its size, the Navigator offers a surprisingly agile driving experience thanks to adaptive suspension and available all-wheel drive, making every journey feel composed and confident. Step inside, and you're instantly surrounded by first-class comfort. The interior of the 2026 Navigator is all about craftsmanship and cutting-edge tech. Premium leather, real wood trim, and brushed metal accents make the cabin feel more like a luxury lounge. Lincoln's quiet flight design philosophy means everything is engineered to reduce noise and create a peaceful, serene ride. One of the standout features is the expansive 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system with the latest Sync 5 software. It's faster, more intuitive, and packed with smart features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Amazon Alexa. The 28-speaker Revel Ultima 3D audio system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, delivering crystal clear sound that's perfect for long road trips or your daily commute. In terms of passenger comfort, the 2026 Navigator excels. The second-row passengers enjoy heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, while the third row offers more legroom than many rivals. With power-folding rear seats and a flat-load floor, the cargo area is incredibly versatile, making it perfect for family vacations or hauling gear. Safety-wise, Lincoln has loaded the Navigator with advanced driver assist features. From adaptive cruise control and lane centering to intersection assist and evasive steering, the Navigator is always looking out for you. The new hands-free driving system, Lincoln Blue Cruise 1.3, works on pre-mapped highways and has been upgraded for better performance, ensuring smoother, safer autonomous driving when conditions allow. Another major update in 2026 is Lincoln's push toward sustainability. The Navigator now includes more eco-friendly interior materials and improved fuel efficiency without compromising power. There's even talk of a plug-in hybrid variant coming soon, aimed at drivers who want both luxury and reduced emissions. Overall, the 2026 Lincoln Navigator is a masterclass in luxury SUV design. It balances old-school American comfort with new-school tech and refinement. Whether you're a chauffeur-driven executive or a large family looking for the ultimate road trip vehicle, this SUV delivers on all fronts. That wraps up today's review of the 2026 Lincoln Navigator. Let us know in the comments what you think about Lincoln's latest luxury SUV. Is it worth the hype? Would you pick it over the Escalade or the Grand Wagoneer? Thanks for watching Ride Ready Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car content every week. Until next time, stay ride ready.